This feels like one of those moments where a new category is quietly being born, and most people won't realize it until it's already crowded. If you missed Bitcoin, if you missed NFTs, and if you're wondering what the next creator opportunity looks like, this video is extremely important.
Baby, ¿qué más? Hace rato que no sé nada de ti.
Today, I'm going to show you how AI influencers actually work, how I created one from scratch, and how creators are now getting paid for AI-generated content using a platform called Higgsfield. This is not hype, and this is not theory. I'll show you everything directly on screen, step by step, so you can decide for yourself whether this is worth your time.
I ain't even got to give my tool out.
Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing generative AI platforms right now. And what makes it different is its focus on creators.
You think I'm crazy?
They recently launched two major products. The first one is AI Influencer Studio, which allows you to design and control fully original AI influencers.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours.
The second one is Higgsfield Earn, which is a monetization system that pays creators when their AI influencer content performs on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Instead of just giving you another AI tool, Higgsfield is building an entire ecosystem where you can create original digital personas, turn them into videos, and then monetize that content directly through their own platform. Higgsfield also lets you mix presets or merge characters. This opens up creative possibilities that are not possible with traditional creators. You can create twins, alternative versions of the same character, or completely new hybrids. If you're thinking long-term and building a brand, this level of flexibility matters a lot. Now let's talk about why AI influencers are exploding right now. The biggest reason is scalability. Once you create a character, you can generate content consistently without worrying about filming schedules, burnout, or on-camera pressure. This makes it ideal for faceless creators, introverts, or anyone who wants to focus on ideas instead of being the product. Let me show you how this works in real time. I'm now inside the Higgsfield website, and this is the AI Influencer Studio dashboard. This is not just an image generator where you type a prompt and hope for the best. This is a character creation environment where you intentionally design an identity from the ground up. You start by defining the base appearance of your AI influencer. There are more than 90 different parameters you can customize here. You can adjust facial features, skin tone, body type, proportions, hairstyle, expressions, and overall style. The important part is that there are no predefined limits or templates forcing your character to look like everyone else. This is especially important if you care about originality. Because the character is fully generated and customized by you, there are no copyright issues and no reused faces. This is your digital persona, and it can be used consistently across multiple videos without losing its identity. AI influencers also work extremely well in niches that require consistency and aesthetics. Fashion, luxury, motivation, fitness, tech explainers, and even storytelling content perform very well in this format. Because the character never changes, viewers start recognizing it, just like they would recognize a human influencer. But creating content alone doesn't pay the bills, and this is where Higgsfield Earn becomes important. Once the character design is finalized, the next step is bringing it to life with motion. This is where many AI tools fail, but Higgsfield does this surprisingly well. Using the built-in motion engine, I can generate expressive video clips where the character feels natural and engaging instead of stiff or robotic. These videos can be generated in high definition and up to 30 seconds long, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and other short-form platforms. The motion feels intentional, and the character maintains consistency across frames, which is crucial if you want viewers to trust what they're seeing. The process is simple and beginner-friendly. You log in, connect your YouTube or Instagram account, and verify ownership instantly. There is no waiting period and no manual approval. After you publish your AI influencer video on social media, you simply copy the video link and paste it into your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. From that point on, Higgsfield tracks the performance of your content. As your video gets views and engagement, you earn rewards directly from Higgsfield. What makes this interesting is that you don't need a large following to start. Even small creators can participate because the system is based on performance, not audience size. This lowers the entry barrier significantly and makes it accessible to people who are just starting out. This is why many creators see AI influencers as one of the simplest ways to experiment with online income going into 2026. You don't need expensive cameras, studio lighting, or editing teams. You don't need to show your face or build a personal brand if you don't want to. The AI influencer becomes the brand. If you can describe a character, you can create an AI influencer. If you can generate a short video, you can publish it. And if you can publish it, you can monetize it. I've included the official links in the description where you can access Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio to create your own AI influencer and where you can join Higgsfield Earn to start monetizing your content. If you're curious about AI, content creation, or new income streams, this is worth testing now while the space is still early and uncrowded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.